Hello, my name is Shivam Tiwari. I have done BE plus MTech, that is dual degree, from UIT RGPV Bhopal in civil engineering branch. I have qualified GATE exam twice, that is GATE 2019 as well as GATE 2020. Currently, I am working with an academy as a doubt solving educator under IIT JEE Mathematics category, as well as I am also working with CHEG India Private Limited as a subject matter expert in civil engineering branch. Today, I am going to discuss class 10th mathematics chapter. The name of the chapter is quadratic equation. So, first, what is quadratic equation? So our chapter is quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, and where a, b and c belongs to what? Real number. ऐसी इक्वेशन जो इस फॉर्म में होंगी ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 0 क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हम इनको बोलेंगे, और ए बी सी हमारे रियल नंबर होंगे और ए की वैल्यू 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक इक्वेशन हम देख लेते हैं. लाइक हमारी इक्वेशन है 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x प्लस 9. ये हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन होगी और इसमें ए की वैल्यू क्या होगी? ए की वैल्यू 2 होगी. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एंड कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स हमें क्या देगा? बी की वैल्यू. ठीक है, और जो हमारा लास्ट कांस्टेंट टर्म होगा वो हमारा सी होगा. ठीक है, तो ये हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कहलाती है. अब नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे कि व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सेकेंड टॉपिक इज रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. रूट्स मीन्स व्हाट? Roots means zeros of a quadratic equation. Roots means what? Roots means zeros of a quadratic equation. Roots means zeros. And what do you mean by zeros? Zeros means simply value of x. So value of x means, suppose our equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So value of x means वो value of x जो यहाँ पर हम पुट करें तो हमारा जो आंसर आए वो 0 के इक्वल आ जाए. मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हमारी राइट हैंड साइड के इक्वल आ जाए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज एक इक्वेशन ले लेते हैं 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 6x प्लस 7 इज इक्वल टू 0. इफ आई पुट x इक्वल टू 1 देन दिस बिकम 2 प्लस 6 प्लस 7. सो दिस आंसर विल बी 8 प्लस 7 15. सो दिस इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. इट मीन्स what? x इक्वल टू 1 इज नॉट अ 0 or not a value of x that satisfies our equation. So this is not a 0 of given equation. Means, okay, let us take another example for better understanding. For example, like 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. If I put again x equal to 1, so this become 2 plus 3 minus 5. 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 5, answer is 0. Means in this case now x equal to 1 satisfy the equation. So x equal to 1 is the root of the given equation, means root of the given equation. So we can say that this is the root or 0 of a given equation. Now how to find the root of quadratic equation? So methods. Now the third topic is methods to determine roots. Methods to determine roots. Methods to determine roots. So there are two methods generally. First method is what? First method is factorization method. Factorization method, also called middle term split method. Middle term split method. Middle term split method. Second method is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. So first I will discuss this, then this. So first method is what? Middle term split method, or also called factorization method. Middle term split method. Middle term split method. Okay, so suppose let us take an example. Suppose example is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. So in this method, multiply coefficient of this and this. So factor is 5. Okay, so x square plus 6x plus 5. So using middle term split method, so first multiply this constant to the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square here is 1, so 5 into 1. Answer is 5. Now split this 5 as a sum or difference to become 6. So split this factor as sum or difference to become 6. So 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. Okay. So now this remains same. I split 6 as what? 5x plus 1x. This remains same. So here is 5 is equal to 0. Take out x common from this. So this is x plus 5 now. And take out 1 common from this. So this is x plus 5. So now take out x plus 5 common. So this become okay. So now x plus 5 and x plus 1. Put it. First put x plus 5 is equal to 0 and then put x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from this x equal minus 5 and from this x is equal minus 1. So there are two roots. Number 1 x equal minus 5 and second root is minus 1. If we put x equal minus 5 here in this equation, then our answer is equal to 0. And if we put x equal to minus 1, then answer again 0. So it means what our roots satisfy means our answer is correct. Now second method is quadratic formula. Second method is for solving methods of for finding root of a quadratic equation is quadratic formula. So also called what? Sridharacharya formula. Quadratic formula or Sridharacharya formula. The formula is x is equal minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, where this term b square minus 4ac called discriminant. What? Capital D, discriminant. If suppose if d comes out to be 0, it means what? Our roots are means value of x. Roots are real and equal. If d comes out to be 0, then nature of roots are real and equal. Suppose if d comes out to be less than 0 means d comes out to be negative, then roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary means not equal. Roots are imaginary and quadratic equation not exist. Okay, if d comes out to be greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct means different roots. Okay, so this are nature of quadratic equation depends on d, discriminant. Let us take some example for better understanding. So example number 1, 2x square plus x minus 1. Find the value of d first and nature of root. So d is given by b square minus 4ac. What is b? b is 1. What is a? a is what? 2. Coefficient of x square. What is c? c is minus 1. Put in this formula. So this become 4 into a is 2, c is minus 1. So this is 1 minus minus plus 4 to the 8. Answer is 9. D. So d comes out to be greater than 0. It means roots are real. Roots means value of x are real and distinct. Okay. Now I use quadratic formula for finding roots. So our quadratic formula is x is equal minus b plus minus d upon 2a. So our b is what? Minus 1. So b is plus 1. So this is minus 1 plus minus root 9 by 2 into a. a is 2. Okay. So this is minus 1 plus minus 3 upon 4. So I take positive and negative separately. So positive and negative. So x is minus 1 plus 3 by 4. So this is 2 upon 4 means 1 by 2. And when I take x negative side of this, because here is positive and negative, so x is what? X become minus 1 minus 3 by 4. So answer is minus 1. So these are our roots. Thank you.